Hello everyone, this video is for telling about Google Gemini's gems feature. Okay, so it is gemini.google.com. Here we can find this gems gem manager, and you can see the gems also. Okay, if you click the gem manager, you can find the pre-made gems, or you can create your new gem by using this button. Okay, so first of all, what is gem? A gem is something similar to ChatGPT's custom GPT. Okay, so we can write the prompts in the gems, and we can use it further. Okay, so it will help to save a lot of time. Here we can see the pre-made gems. So it is coding partner, right? So I selected this coding partner. So it's customized towards coding. Okay, so if you want to customize further for Python coding or Java coding, here what you can do is make a copy option, right? So you can just make a copy of that gem. Okay, so coding partner, maybe if it is for Python, you can choose Python like that. Okay, here in the instruction you can say that write the code using Python, like that you can add. So instead of typing this entire instructions every time, with the gems we can pre-build this prompts. Okay, Python code. So here we can customize it to Python, right? Go to reverse a string. I haven't specified as a Python, but still it's able to create the Python code, right? So similarly, you can use it for various purposes. You can explore various use cases of these gems. For example, if you are planning to write reply for your emails, you can just write an email replier, like that email responder. So here you can give the instructions. Write an email reply with the professional tone, like that we can say, and add signature as. It is simple example. Okay, but you can write a lot of things. Even if you are not comfortable in writing by yourself, you can use this assistant. Okay, it will rewrite your simple explanation. Okay, here suppose if I write it, so even for writing instructions for these gems, we can use this AI feature. Okay, so here we can put signature. So after setting this up, we can use it. Here even we need not specify that send a reply, prepare a reply for email, like that. Just we can copy some sample email. So if it is email, then it will just send a reply. So it added the signature also. Okay, so this will save a lot of time. Suppose if you are using Gemini for your business purpose, and you may be using it for your personal reason also. So for that you can have separate gems, right? Suppose if you have 2-3 customers, maybe you can create gems for each customers. Okay, so it's really useful feature. It will save a lot of time. Even if you are not comfortable in writing the instructions, you can use this AI feature, and then you can correct the mistakes. And another feature is here you can upload files also, knowledge files. So it will refer that data also. That also one important thing. Suppose if you are having list of policy details, something, so you can just include that. So it will consider that information also when sending reply. Okay, in this case sending reply, generally for creating the response, it will be using that knowledge also. So just you can upload the files. Okay, image and files, you can take it from drive also. Okay, so we can just explore various gems. A lot of gems are there, right? And writing editor, learning coach, and if you want, you can just make a copy of it, and then you can customize it according to your own needs. Okay, so it's a very simple thing only. Just instead of rewriting the same instructions multiple times in the prompts, we can keep it in a centralized place as a gem. Okay, but it is in practical life, it will help us to save a lot of time. We can give the instructions, and as well as we can give files also. So just to explore it. Thanks.